Hello guys, so welcome back. In previous video, we talk about how to create a Django application. It means a Django web app and configure it and explain what are the files that uh, we have in a Django project and so on. So today we are going to create an app called app. It means when I think that we have different components like we have users and if we are doing as example we do a note application. It means simple note taking applications. So we have to take as a component we can get a node, and also if we have users we can take user. So when we are in like that situation, we need to create a app. So we can also put all in one app, but as a when we create a complicated application we can do that, so we can't do that, and we need to create a in a structured manner that we can identify and edit code in the future very easily. So let's get started. So I already run my project, and now in a second terminal I will create app. So to create app we can call Django admin. uh, First we can type Django dash admin. Like I said in the previous video, when we create a project we can use Django admin start project. So like that we can to create an app we can call Django admin start app, and we can give a name to app. So I will add a name to as a app. So I will call base. It means app name. So it will take a little bit time to create, and also now it's created. Like you can see there is a folder called base. It means this is the app name that we are created now. So you can see there also you have apps admin test and view. So first we need to configure that uh, base app. It means the app that we created app with our main file. Now this app is a separate one, so first we need to connect it with our configuration file. You can uh, do like that. So first you can go to a newly created app, and you can go to apps.py file, and you can see there is a base config function, sorry, class, where we can take it. So I will copy, and you can go to settings.py in our configuration folder. So you can go to scroll down, and you can see there is a install app list. So in install app list you can use quotations, and first you can add a name of your app. So my app is called based, and you can put dot, and if after that you can add apps. It's a because we in base folder we can we go to based, and after dot we call apps.py file. That's why we add apps, and after that you can add dot and paste the class name that we are copy from apps folder. So now it's completely connected with our newly created app. So I will now run sorry, my service already running, so we can refresh it and see that it's working, it's nothing wrong. So now we connected our app. In next episode we will talk about how to create templates and static files to host the full stack application. Thank you.